Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to read the description on YouTube Shorts. Looking for the video description on YouTube Shorts? The description contains important details like links, hashtags and additional infos from the creator. Now in this video I'll show you how to find and read the description on your YouTube Shorts. Just follow these few simple steps. The first step is to open the YouTube app. After that, open the shorts video by going to the shorts section and choose a random short or the shorts you want to view. And after that, tap on the three dot menu right here on the top corner and click on description. And after clicking on description, the full text will expand. As for the second step is to check below the video title. As you can see here, below the video, the description is definition of the wrong heat. In some cases, a short preview of the description appears below the video title, which we can see here. You can also tap more or show more to expand to the full description. The third step is to view the description on desktop. And to do that, just open YouTube Shorts in a web browser and click on the title of the shorts video to expand the description. As for the fourth and final step is to find links and hashtags in the description. Now if the creator adds links, tap them to open in a browser, and hashtags are clickable, so tap them to see related shorts and videos. And that's it for today's tutorial. Now you know how to read the description on YouTube Shorts. Use these steps to find useful details and links in any shorts video. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.